Negotiation isn't about winning, it's about balance. If your deals keep slipping, your give-get ratio is off. Now here's how to fix it. What you want to do is you want to brainstorm all the different gives, all the different things that your clients ask of you. They want information, they want discounts, they want proposals, they want demos, they want trials, they want engineering time, they want all these things. Then you want to map out all the gets. What do you want? Decision process, timeline, signed contract, testimonials, all these different things. Then you point score them in a certain way and you match them up. So when somebody asks for this, you ask for this in return. And you can make the connection of, hey, I'm thrilled to give you what you're asking for. In order for me to give you exactly what you want, this is what I need in return from you. Example, hey, you want a proposal? Hey, I'm thrilled to give you a proposal. You had said earlier that these 3 other people were involved in the decision-making process. So I can give you exactly what you're looking for. Can I get about 5 to 10 minutes on each one of those people's calendars so I can ask them a few quick questions to make sure that everything's in line with this proposal? Now say they say no to that, right? Well, then you have a secondary get. Well, okay, no problem. When can we schedule a call so I can deliver this proposal to you and the other people involved and walk you through it so you have all the information you need to make an informed, timely decision? When do you want to schedule that call? Now say they say no to that too. By mapping out your gives and gets and scoring them in a certain way, you can actually say, it's not that I'm not going to give you that proposal, it's just now I'm keeping score. And I treat people the way they treat me. Equal people get a lot more of my attention than unequal people. If you want to learn how to create your own custom scorecard so you can measure the health of any opportunity in your pipeline and keep those gives and gets equal throughout, join me this Friday at 1 o'clock East Coast time, where I'll be doing free training Fridays and giving away my favorite training to show you exactly how to do this. Again, 1 o'clock this Friday, free training Friday, sponsored by Insightly CRM. Let's make it happen.